The side cutter attachment, sometimes called the cut and hem attachment, trims fabric while you sew. Use this attachment to sew seams and seam finishes simultaneously. The excess seam allowance is trimmed away as you sew. The side cutter attachment has a forked arm that fits around the needle clamp. A prong or stitch finger sits under the sewing area, allowing more thread into the stitch so that finished stitching lies smoothly along the edge of the fabric. There is a small blade that trims the fabric as you sew. To attach the side cutter, first remove the regular presser foot and presser foot holder. Set the side cutter in position on the presser bar. Position the forked arm around the needle clamp. Tighten the side screw, securing the attachment in place. After selecting an overedge stitch, turn the hand wheel toward you slowly, making sure the needle goes over the stitch finger. If the needle is hitting the metal stitch finger, adjust the stitch and check that the foot is correctly seated on the presser bar. If the needle is hitting the sides of the attachment, check again that the foot is correctly seated on the presser bar. Cut a notch at the top edge of the fabric. Place the fabric over the first metal platform and then under the second metal platform. The blade cuts prior to the needle stitching, so be sure to have the fabric under the needle before starting to sew. Sew slowly as you guide the fabric. If the blade is not cutting, it is usually because the fabric is not being placed correctly over the first platform. Check the placement of the fabric in the attachment and continue to sew.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.